Hello, this is Andrew Wildwood of Wildwood Violin. Today we will be discussing the 7th song from Suzuki Book 1, titled Long, Long Ago. Our song continues in the key of A major, and in concert time, 4 quarter notes per measure. We start out with a nice repetitive quarter, eighth, eighth, quarter, eighth, eighth, quarter, eighth, eighth, long. So a nice, simple, progressive sort of rhythm. But you'll notice we start mezzo forte, medium loud, and we immediately begin crescendoing to the end of the second measure, where then we start to decrescendo and then decrescendo again. So from the beginning of the first line to the very end of the first line, it gets slowly louder and then slowly quieter again. In the second line, we do a very similar thing, and also in the fourth line of the song. Something to note is that at the end of the second line of the song, we have a half note, and then that little funny black squiggle thing on the box there, which is is a half note rest. So we have 2 beats of note, and then 2 beats of rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we immediately continue forte for the next part of the song. Now here we have a 1 on the A string, which is the note B. We then jump down to the D string, also first finger, the note E. And we can just sort of hop our finger over. We don't have to lift it off and place it back. We can just cross right over, bringing the bow with us, of course. And immediately back to the A string with our third finger. That then repeats at a mezzo piano, so loud and then quieter for the repeat before returning to the last line of the song to complete it. And one thing I'd like to mention here is there are a lot of E strings. There's open E, of course, and there's the option for the 4th finger. Now, when do we use the 4th finger? Again, my advice here is that when you are saying on the same string, it makes more sense to use the 4th finger and to stay on the A string. However, when you're crossing strings, it makes more sense to go to the string you're going to, perhaps using the open E, same on the way back down. It's really your choice, it's up to you, but so play with both, see which works for you, but notice my recommendation, that is to do the least amount of work possible, to stay on the same string if that's the 4th finger, or to use the open if that's going to take you to the string you're wanting to go to. Here we are, long, long ago.